Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander GT in white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7008.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.